Yes sir, I can do that work. Yes sir, video editing. Yes sir. Okay. Oh sir, yes sir. Please trust me sir, I can do that work. Oh sir, oh my god, again cut that phone. Sir, I can do that work. Graphic designing, sir, I am master. Sir, I am master in graphic designing. Sir, please give me work, sir, please. Sir, please, sir. Oh my gosh. In this video, I'm gonna talking about the bad step or the common mistake that people usually make to become a freelancer in 2021. Okay, this video is meant for those who are struggling in the field of freelancing and not getting clients in 2021, but they are doing a great job at their work. So if you are that person, then please watch this video till end. Okay, and one more thing, in this video I'll be sharing the few secret tips to get client on a different freelancing website like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer and etc. Okay, and I will also tell you that how to get your first order quickly. So before moving ahead, please do hit the like button and go back to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome contents for you all. Okay, so let's get started. Well, first of all, we have to understand the market of all of these things. I mean, we know that nowadays everyone is trying to do freelancing on some high-rated places like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork. Okay, all of these sites engage a lot of people or stick on their website to do or to complete their client's project. Right, and in this situation, newbies or those who are beginner who just came into the field of freelancing, they thought or they offense by seeing the crowd on all of these websites. They think that they will never get a clients, and sometimes people get frustrated and they leave and shift to other work because of not getting clients in all of these websites. So I know only one thing: if you have passion about any work or you are in doing any particular work, then you will be definitely success one day. Okay, बस आपको ये करना है कि आपको वर्क हार्ड करना है, कंसिस्टेंट रहना है, then definitely you will be success. So in the same situation applies here in freelancing. आपको मेहनत करना तो पड़ेगा ही, because बिना मेहनत का कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, initially just think that you are a beginner and आपसे भी ऊपर काफ़ी लोग बैठे हुए हैं और उनसे आपको compete करना है. Okay, so you have to do work hard, then you will be getting client. But it's all right. I'm giving a few secret tips for beginners in order to get clients or in order to get your first order quickly. Okay, so the first secret tip is build your profile genuine. By this I mean whatever the things you are putting in your profile will be highly impact when viewed by any clients. Okay, because your profile reflects about yourself or about your profession. I mean, अगर कुछ भी लिख दोगे अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन और अपने प्रोफाइल में, तो वो हाईली इम्पैक्टफुल नहीं होगा. अगर कोई भी एक क्लाइंट देखते हैं आपके प्रोफाइल को, तो वैसा उनको लगेगा नहीं कि यार यू आर डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स. ओके, सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू जस्ट बिल्ड योर प्रोफाइल जेन्युइन. जो है बस उसी चीज को मेंशन करो. इफ यू आर नोइंग वीडियो एडिटिंग, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग, जस्ट मेंशन ओनली 2 पॉइंट्स. नो दैट मैंने क्यों फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये बोला कि बिल्ड योर प्रोफाइल जेन्युइन, बिकॉज आई सॉ लॉट ऑफ प्रोफाइल कि उनमें काफ़ी तरह का मतलब कुछ भी लिख देते हैं उसमें. मतलब ना ही नाम ढंग का होता है, ना ही उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन अच्छा होता है, नहीं मतलब कुछ भी लिख देते हैं. ठीक है, इफ़ यू आर बिगिनर देन जस्ट पुट योर दोज वर्क ऑन विच यू आर मास्टर इन. सो द सेकेंड सीक्रेट टिप इज marketing or share your gigs. Here market means on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, like all of these. There you should go and introduce yourself that you and your teams do better work on these things in freelancing website. So you can contact me there like this. Okay, and this will really help you in getting clients. And you know, many of the times I saw lot of people who just create their account on freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. They thought that the client will come to them and they will ask that would you please complete my work, that please can you complete my work. No, totally wrong. Nobody will come like this. You have to understand that you are a beginner or a newbie. You have to go or ask to different clients to complete their work. Then only you will be getting clients. So getting client is not easier. You have to work hard. So that's why I highly recommend you to share your gigs on different social media platforms as much as you can. So the third secret tip is offer a guarantee. So by this I mean, first of all you have to understand that you are a beginner or you are the newbie in this freelancing field. Okay, now offer a guarantee means that you are offering a money back guarantee to your client. Then it would be much catchy to your client. I mean, if your clients not satisfied by your work, then they can cancel transactions. Okay, first of all आपको ये समझना होगा कि you have to establish your market, then only आपको कोई जानेगा. And try to just थोड़ा लालच देने का कोशिश करो क्लाइंट्स को अपना, तभी आपके पास ज़्यादा क्लाइंट्स आ सकते हैं. ठीक है. And if you want to know everything about freelancing, then I have made one video on freelancing, that how everything works, how freelancing works, how to get a proper clients, how to talk with clients, how to deal any projects with your clients, like everything. The link is in the description, okay, and I will also put in the at the end screen as well. So okay, so this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy this video, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome contents for you all. And as you can see my Instagram handle, go and follow me there, and please comment down below whether this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, so bye bye, stay motivated and peace out.